Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Blink Outdoor 4-5 camera system, a wire-free smart security solution designed to keep your home safe and secure. This system features 1080p HD video, providing clear visuals for monitoring your property. The infrared night vision ensures visibility even in low-light conditions, and the two-way audio allows you to communicate through the cameras using the Blink app. With a 143 degrees field of view, you'll have a wide perspective of your surroundings. One of the standout features is the 2-year battery life, powered by AA lithium batteries, making it a low-maintenance option. The system also includes enhanced motion detection with dual-zone technology, providing more accurate alerts. For added functionality, it works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing voice control and integration with other smart home devices. While the Blink Outdoor 4 offers many advantages, some users have noted that the motion detection can be less sensitive compared to previous models, and the video quality, while adequate, may not match higher-end systems. Overall, the Blink Outdoor 4-5 camera system is a solid choice for those seeking an affordable, easy-to-install security solution with essential features. Click the link below for the best price, and thanks for watching.